How to grow jojoba. Jojoba is a type of evergreen shrub that can grow 10 to 15 feet tall. Its leaves are gray-green and have a waxy cuticle. Female jojoba plants produce green capsules with up to 3 seeds inside, and the seeds are used to produce a special type of oil that is used in expensive cosmetics and hair care products. Average plantings produce about 300 pounds of jojoba product per acre, while high-yield clones can produce 800 pounds of product per acre. Growing jojoba is somewhat difficult. It grows best in frost-free areas and can tolerate high temperatures. Things you will need: coarse, light or medium textured soil. Clear and level the area where you want to plant jojoba. Jojoba requires coarse, light or medium textured soil that has good drainage and good water infiltration. Plant jojoba seeds about 1 inch deep and 12 to 18 inches apart. Place rows about 10 feet apart. Emergence of jojoba usually takes 15 to 20 days. Remove male jojoba plants as they emerge above ground. Male jojoba plants are yellow and large, and they appear in clusters. Female jojoba plants are green and small, and they appear in clusters or solitary on a node. Because many people grow jojoba for its oil, which is produced from only the female plant seeds, they cultivate as few male plants as possible. The ideal ratio of female to male plants is about 6 to 1. So after unproductive and slow-growing plants are removed, a female plant should be every 2 to 3 feet and a male plant every 20 to 40 feet. Protect jojoba plants by aggressively weeding until they are large enough to compete for shade. No herbicides are registered for use on jojoba. In addition, watch for fungal infections on the plants.